Materialized. They said they were going to go to court a week ago, and they ended up not showing up in court. Hey, ma'am, can I interview you real quick? What's your name?
My name is Thainmori Soundararajan.
You are quite the cheerleader. What are you here for?
Well, I'm here to stand for justice, and I'm here to talk about economic inequality, and I'm here for the fact that we, as a people, say that this is not an economic system that we can really stand by.
Everybody here agrees with you, but there are people at home who are watching who are saying, young lady, you are making a scene because you want attention and you're going to get arrested. What would you say to them?
I would say that that's not the nature of social movements. As they've said in the 70s, sometimes you have to put your bodies on the gears of the machine to say that the machine does not work. And the machine does not work. We're looking at a massive, massive implosion of capitalism, and as a reality, we have to stand here and we have to fight.
Are you willing to fight to the point of getting arrested, all of you? Are you willing to be arrested?
Yes. I think that it's not about, you can't arrest an idea and you can't stop a movement in one night. And I think whatever happens here, the movement will continue. And for every person that they arrest, there's going to be 100 that come out.
Thank you for talking to me. Once again, we are live, middle of the street, David Begnaud. We've got no idea. I just called our assignment desk to ask if the LAPD buses over at Elysian Park were starting to move. We're told they are still stationary at this point. Hundreds of officers on buses waiting to get the order to move.
All right, David Begnaud, thank you so much.